Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Virgos. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, guys, and this is for your career situation. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, Virgos, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have Nine of Moons, Six of Spheres in reverse, and Five of Stars. So, in your circumstances, guys, maybe in your work or maybe in your personal life, maybe you are quite anxious about something, you are expecting something, and you are not seeing the result or your expectations are not being met. So, some kind of anxiety and stress, you are stressing over the results, maybe, guys, and you feel that your situation is not changing in your work. You are doing everything possible, maybe handling your situation effectively, making a lot of efforts and using your skills and talents and trying to do things in the right way. But whatever it is, you are not seeing the changes you expected. So maybe there may be people who are competing with you, who are quite jealous of you, guys. So you need to be really careful. They are here to grab your opportunities or work against you and use your talents and skills for their benefit. So you need to be careful with this person. They are not to be trusted. It may be someone from your work or it may be someone in your personal life. Maybe they are posing as your friend or a family member, but their intentions are not good, Virgos. So you need to be careful with this person, guys. If you know who it is, you need to stay away from them. But I also see that, guys, maybe in your circumstances, maybe in your life, in this relationship or in your career, you are getting a clarity. So what needs to be done? So there may be a person who is helping you today, solving this situation, helping you to find the problem, what needs to be addressed, and trying to help you out of this difficulty. Or you yourself are handling this situation effectively, guys, and coming out of this difficult circumstance, Virgos. So for your relationship, we picked one card, guys, and it is 10 of Sons. So with this card in your relationship, maybe there may be some arguments or whatever, some misunderstanding or troubles, whatever it was, some jealousy or envy. If you can just hold on, if you can just wait, if you can weather these storms, things will fall into place for you, guys, Virgos. So maybe some misunderstanding or some stressful circumstances, whatever it was, or maybe this person was the reason for helping you out. Maybe so it may be a misunderstanding in your work and this person is helping you out. But if you can hold on, whatever negative circumstances you are seeing, guys, in your life today, it is going to change if you are just patient. So patience is what is called for today, guys, in your circumstances, Virgos. So for your career situation, we picked one card, and it is Fortune's Wheel in reverse. So in your work situation, Virgos, certain things may work out just like expected, certain things may not. So the reason may be destiny, guys, and destiny is the reason for things going in a particular way. And you need to understand that whether it is good or bad, it is something destined. So whatever is supposed to happen is happening in your life today, Virgos. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Virgos, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please watch the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it says breathe. So with this card, in your circumstances today, guys, this is not the time for you to make any decisions. Maybe you are rushing into something, you want to make some choice and move forward, make that next step or decide something for yourself, but this may not be the right time for that. This is the time for you to just wait, and in this relationship or in your career situation, whatever it is, release that anxiety you are feeling, stress you are having today, and take a deep breath. Let nature take its own course. See where things are going today, guys, for you all. So in this relationship, you need to give time for that heart to open. Maybe you have faced a lot in your life, you have seen a lot of circumstances. This is the time for you to just enjoy the moment, and your heart will know what your intellect is often resisting, guys. So what you truly feel in your heart of heart, you need to follow that today, and patience will always pay off in more meaningful ways, guys, today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So this is the time for you to just have that trust in your heart for that brighter, happier future, and have that patience, and maybe meditate if you are interested in meditation. If you are someone interested in that practice, you can go for it, guys. That is going to help you a lot today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it says obsession. So in your circumstances today, guys, you have some unhealthy attachment, maybe to something, maybe to a person, to a circumstance or a habit, and it is simply slaving you. It is making you really anxious over certain things, and it is really making your life difficult day by day. So you need to take steps to free yourself from this compulsion you have, and you need to take back the power. So this obsession is holding on to you. It's just making you do things, and it may be something which you love to do in the beginning, but right now it is something like an addiction, and it is taking your time and energy, and it is really difficult on you, stressing you a lot. So you need to cut yourself free. This could be painful or difficult, guys, trying to free yourself from this habit or from this compulsion you have. But you need to free yourself to enjoy life in a more in a wholesome way today, and it will be a whole lot wiser on your part to do that, guys. And maybe you can ask people to help you, and you can also help people. Maybe there is someone in your life with some compulsive behavior. It may be your friend or a family member. So it is your duty to help this person, help them come out of this compulsion. And you need to try and give up this unhealthy attachment you have, maybe towards some, it may even be some habits we have, guys, or some kind of a silly compulsion, something we follow, do again and again in a ritualistic way, something we can just avoid. We will get back the time and energy we are wasting in those habits or in this compulsive behavior. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, guys, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.